Hello guys and welcome to VoloKin Project. It's Tony here, your favorite tech YouTuber from the UK / Eastern Europe. Now I'm going to do a quick unboxing and size comparison of the TCL 20 SE. This is the cheapest of their new 20 series and currently it's one of the cheapest new Android phones you can buy on the UK market, guys. That's why this phone is important. I'm going to do a quick size comparison versus other TCL phones a little bit later on in this video. But first of all, let's talk about pricing, how cheap this phone is. Well, not that long ago there was a deal where you can get this phone for £99, guys, which is absolutely amazing. How do I know? Well, I'm running the VoloKin Project Tech Deals on Coffee. That's an alternative to Patreon, where I make amazing deals on phones and tech available for everybody for free, and of course I accept donations which are completely optional, guys. So you can see over here I've posted this deal quite some time ago about this phone, £99 from Argus, guys. Now I think that the price is a little bit high, it's about 120 or Amazon, or even Argus is 150 or something like that. But let's say the cheapest one is 120, still an excellent value for money. How do I know? Well, we're gonna have a look at these specifications on the right side of the screen over here, guys. I'm gonna post them now. So we've got a 6.82, absolutely massive screen, guys, 720p one LCD, Snapdragon 460, which is a little bit of a concern because the 4 series I think is made for smartwatches, but yeah, 64 gigabytes of internal storage, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which might or might not be a problem depending on the RAM management. And the cameras, there quite a lot of them, guys. At the back we've got 4 cameras, 16 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel super wide, which is pretty much the lowest resolution super wide you can get, and I don't expect much, to be honest with you. 2 megapixel depth sensor, absolutely useless, and 2 megapixel macro, depends, it depends, I'm gonna have to test it. Now at the front, the selfies are either 8 or 13 megapixel, guys, depending on the market. I think it's something like 8 megapixels for the European market and 13 megapixels in Asia, India, something like that. I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna figure it out, I promise you. And the battery is 5000 milliamp hours, guys, which is quite a beefy battery. So I'm expecting at least 10 hours of screen on time on this baby. But first, let's take it out of the box and see what we get, guys. I'm just gonna leave it on the side over here to see what else do we have in the box in such a cheap device. Actually, we've got screen protector. Can you imagine, guys, how many phones actually come with a separate screen protectors nowadays? Some of them are already applied, but you know, that's rare to see. And a case, it's a little bit darker, which is fine, absolutely fine. Quick start guide, you're not gonna read that. Of course, we've got a charger and we've got the cable. Why would you say you're saying that you're from the UK and you bought it with you know, EU plug? Well, because I got it from Spain and I got some TCL earbuds which I have totally no idea where I put somewhere for free. I'm gonna talk about that in the full review of the phone, but nevertheless, guys, this is the same phone apart from the charger. And let's have a look at that baby. I really don't like those stickers which they put on top of the glass phones. Okay, big on. All right. Check this out, guys. This reflection, that reminds me of the Aurora Borealis. Check this out, guys, or the Northern Lights. Oh, it is beautiful. It is beautiful indeed. What kind of material is that? Let me determine. It is plastic, guys. How do I know? Check this out. When you apply some pressure with your fingernail, can you see it bending? That's what tells me that it is plastic. But man, it feels so nice, guys. The camera setup is quite nice, actually. Check this out. It definitely looks like a high quality phone. The bezels are, I mean the bezels, not the bezels, but you know what I mean. Over here the frame is quite thick and it's made of plastic, and the phone itself is actually big, guys. You can see my reflection in the screen, but yeah, in the meantime, oh my god, that's a big phone, guys. Let me tell you that. This is a big phone, but how big it is compared to other TCL phones? Let's find out, guys. The TCL 10L. Check this out. Oh my god, this one is bigger. Okay, That's fine. The TCL 10 Plus. Okay, the TCL 10 Pro. Okay, so far this is the biggest one, and the TCL 10 SE actually. Oh my god, so yeah, definitely this is the biggest phone of them all, guys. So now you might be wondering, man, why you have like 5 TCL phones? Well, because they recently started making, you know, proper UK available and EU available phones, and I just want to support the brand. That's why I bought all of them brand new, guys. I usually buy second hand on eBay, but these phones I felt that I have to buy brand new, most of them from Amazon. Links in the description down below, of course. But man, I mean 6.8 inches, guys, for 100 pounds. That's almost a tablet territory now. And check this out, we've got a teardrop notch, which I'm a fan of, to be honest with you. I would get the teardrop any day against the punch hole over here. And 720p, some people say, mate, 720p is really, you know, I'm not gonna buy a phone because it's 720p. Well, let me tell you the truth about these 720p screens, guys. I recently reviewed the OnePlus Nord N100 and I was like, man, 720p, that's gonna be bad. Actually, it was fine, guys. Actually, it was, you know, it was sharp enough for everyday usage, where you can actually see that it's 720p watching YouTube videos. They look absolutely horrible, guys. And playing games, for example, playing Call of Duty on 720p, is just looks ugly and pixelated, guys. No matter if the graphics is good or the gameplay is good, the game just don't look right. So yeah, for a budget device for 99 quid, I mean, come on, guys, have a look at the design. How can you complain? And the phone definitely feels nice. Now, we've got a 3.5mm jack over here. I don't expect, you know, stereo speakers. Probably there's a bottom firing mono speaker here, USB Type-C. I'm glad that micro USB is gone, by the way. And a rear mounted fingerprint reader over here. Compared to other TCL phones, they've got pretty good fingerprint readers, so I'm expecting no issues. Probably face unlock as well. So definitely, guys, this is something nice. Let me slap the case on very quickly. There we go. With the case, you can still see through. It's really nice. And now the camera bump becomes, you know, flat with the case, guys, or even the case is a little bit higher, so you're not gonna scratch the cameras. So for 100 quid, this is definitely a buy, guy. Links in the description down below. Review, I don't know when it's gonna come, but if you need a cheap phone, this is a very good option. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Adios.